everyone, this is Debbie at Simple DIY. This video will be about adding a new category to your website. You go up under eStore where you find categories, products, and orders, and you click on categories. And categories will be navigation bars on the left side. You might have them on the right, but it's all your different product categories. So we're going to go ahead and add a new one. And you put the name of it just like you want it to show, whether you use capitals, lower case letters, whatever. So we'll put new category, and I better put 2. I can't remember if I had a new category. This is going to be a category all on its own. It's not a subcategory, which I'll show you in a minute. Now, if you want a navigation image, this is where you would upload that image. And oh, I don't want to use that one. Let's just use this. And you load that image. If you want it as a header image on the page, you can copy and paste. List is if it's a subcategory, which at this point it is not. You put your description, what it's all about right here. You know the drill. Center it, bold it, whatever you need to do. You can add a picture, the little picture thing. I know I use my strawberries all the time, but that's just easier. Insert, okay. Centered. You can put keywords for this category. If you like, you can put a meta title, which would be new category. And I always like to put a small description, like new category dolls or something like that. Oops. Dolls. You don't need to bother with the layout or the per page because that's already set up in your template. And then we go ahead and add that, and you can see it shows up here. And then we'll refresh over here. And there it is with the image, because we used an image, we didn't do text. Now, if you don't like where it's placed, you use these little arrows here, and you don't even need to click anything. You just do it. Whoops. And then you can click on here, and you can see I've moved it up, which is really handy depending on how you want to do it. Now, if you need to edit that, you just go back and edit, and you can do whatever you need to on here. Now, let's say we want to make this a subcategory after all. Well, you would click on here, and we can put it under category 1 or 2. Let's do 2. And this is where, if you want to, you can put it as a list image, which will show up under the main category. So I'll show you what that looks like. Category 2. And see, there it is right there. So you need to make sure that, of course, your category doesn't say order or whatever, but, you know, dolls or jewelry or whatever you need. Let's see. That's basically how you set up a new category page. Okay, on to the next video. Thank you.